In this video, we've put together 5 of the best budget 3D printers available on the market. Watch on to discover what each has to offer, how they differ, and which one will suit your needs most closely. So, let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Anycubic Kobra Neo. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500mm recommended print speed is 300mm. Full-sized printing of the same model, compared to similar products on the market with a printing speed of 50mm. Printing time is shortened by 77H42 minute equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, execution of commands motor control, resulting in 10 times faster printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. It can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer can print at up to 250mm speed with 2500mm acceleration, faster than most of FDM printers on the market. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for high-quality print jobs. Ender 3 V3 SE 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt, ensuring high print quality. The rigid dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively. The Y-axis features 2 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, which underpins a steady and accurate motion of the build platform for a lasting time. Number 3. ELEGOO Mars 3. Mars 3 is ELEGOO's first desktop MSLA 3D printer with super high precision. It adopts a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, which has a 30% higher XY resolution at 35mm and 37% higher build volume than Mars 2, delivering amazing 3D prints. With less release tension, the small and thin supports added to your model will be well protected. Mars 3 has a greatly improved success rate when printing 3D models with lots of details. 36 highly integrated LED lights with a brand new COB lens that has a free-form surface can deliver over 90% uniformity of UV light illumination. ELEGOO Mars 3 adopts copper tubes in the heatsink unit working with a high-quality cooling fan, which significantly improves the heat dissipation performance and brings down the light decay to less than 5% after 6,000 hours printing, extending the longevity of the UV LED lights. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 2. The Anycubic Kobra 2 3D printer is a fast and reliable FDM printer that features a 6x faster firmware upgrade, a LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling system, a dual gear extrusion system, a smart filament sensor, and a fully open source design. The printer uses a new firmware upgrade method that is 6 times faster than the traditional way. You can update the firmware in just 3 minutes by inserting a micro SD card with the firmware file into the printer. The printer has a built-in leveling sensor that can automatically detect the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It can adjust the bed level in real time and compensate for any unevenness. The printer has a dual gear extrusion system that can deliver the filament smoothly and precisely. It can handle different types of filaments with different diameters and hardness. The printer is fully open source, which means that you can modify and customize it according to your needs and preferences. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a FDM3 D printer that features a large printing size of 8.85 x 8.85 x 11 in, a dual gear direct extruder, a dual lead screw drive, an auto bed leveling system, and a removable capacitive screen. It also has a PEI magnetic platform, a smart filament sensor, a starlight sensor, and a 250W high-power hotbed. It is easy to assemble and use, and has a silent stepper motor and a 4.3-inch touchscreen. The printer has a dual gear direct extruder that is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel. It has a 3:1 reduction ratio and a stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing. The printer has a dual lead screw drive that ensures more stable movement of the print head and higher printing accuracy.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.